Welcome back to our channel 1-2-Step. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys on how you can accept your delivery in your Fiverr account. So to accept your delivery, first of all, you need to be in your orders page. As you can see, orders over here. Once you tap on it, your orders will probably be here. As you can see, I don't have any orders right now, but over here, it'll show you what has been done with your packaging. So if your package has been delivered, then you'll see an option that says, are you ready to accept it or not? And after that, you just need to tap on yes, and you'll be able to accept your delivery over here. You can also accept your delivery in your selling as a seller. So to do that, you just need to go to orders right here, and you'll see these options like active, late, delivered. So you need to do the same. You just need to tap on yes when you're asked, are you ready to accept the delivery? And guys, there you go. That's how you accept delivery in your Fiverr account. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like and drop a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.